The Settings menu is used to access to the advanced configuration of the analyzer. In the General area we find Equipment Info. Here we are informed about all the details identifying the meter and its firmware version. Appearance. It allows us to set up the language, skins for the meter's interface, auto switching off behavior for both the meter and the meter's screen, and finally, whether we want the instrument to show us the remaining battery time on screen. Date and time. We can set the date, time and time zone in the analyzer. Network. We can check the instrument's MAC address, set its IP address, or activate/deactivate DHCP. The Update section will let the meter check whether there is any new firmware available and, in case there is, initiate its download and installation. In the TV Analyzer area we find the Measurement section. Here we will be able to select in which units we want the signal level and power level measurements to be displayed. You can choose from dB microvolts, dBm, and dB millivolts for both terrestrial and satellite bands. The mean TER level, mean TER power, mean SAT power and mean FM level fields allow you to set the minimum signal level or power level you should read while measuring a digital terrestrial RF channel, satellite transponder or FM carrier respectively, so that the meter tries to identify it during a channel plan exploration process. With Atlas NG, it is possible to run an exploration process which will identify available channels in the signal received and subsequently will create a channel plan including all those channels.